The Polkadot ecosystem is exploding with growth. But what are the top projects? Here's my list of the top 5 Polkadot Parachains. I'm going to explain to you what these are, what makes them special. If you appreciate videos like this, please take 2 seconds, tap the like button, and comment. It's a small thing, but it truly helps us grow. This video is brought to you by a Polkadot Treasury grant. Make sure you check out our first video for what is Polkadot. Top 5 Polkadot Parachains. Let's get into it. Moonbeam Network is a top project in the Polkadot ecosystem. What is it? Moonbeam is an EVM smart contract platform that provides compatibility solutions with Ethereum's dApps and other blockchains' dApps. It is one of the easiest on-ramps for builders and developers into Polkadot. Moonbeam enables developers to deploy existing Ethereum-based smart contracts and dApps with minimal changes, making it easy to expand their reach to new users and new markets. Moonbeam also offers various tools and infrastructure services to help developers build and deploy their applications. To better understand the use case, watch this 60-second clip.
In 2015, Ethereum launched smart contracts and transformed blockchain forever. Since then, thousands of decentralized apps have successfully launched. But as the ecosystem grew, Ethereum became more congested, creating the need for specialized blockchains. But expanding to new chains is still challenging. That's why we created Moonbeam, the easiest on-ramp to Polkadot. Now, developers can simply deploy existing Solidity smart contracts to Moonbeam and gain access to Polkadot's growing market. Moonbeam's radically simple approach lets you keep the same tools, programming languages, and accounts you already use, meaning you can expand your business and go multi-chain effortlessly and quickly with little to no changes, and unlock an interconnected future. Join the multi-chain movement today, powered by Moonbeam.
So Moonbeam just celebrated 2 years being on mainnet. They now boast over 2 million unique addresses, 48 million total transactions, an average of 2 million transactions per month since January 2022. About 250,000 smart contract addresses have been deployed to date by about 5,000 developers. About 35% of their token, the circulating supply, is staked. And taking a look at Moonbeam's cross-chain footprint, currently, Moonbeam is connected to 19 parachains plus the relay chain, and at least 16 L1s and L2s outside of Polkadot, like on Ethereum and Cosmos. Moonbeam is a crowned jewel in the Polkadot ecosystem, and for good reason. Astar Network, or as I like to call it, a star network. This is similar to Moonbeam in both use case and scope. It's also a crowned jewel in the Polkadot ecosystem. Both Astar Network and Moonbeam Network help make the mission of Polkadot, connecting everything and connecting everybody, possible. Now, this is different to Moonbeam in that it's actually even a bit more flexible with its programming languages. Developers can use their own native programming languages, whatever they like to program on with, like JavaScript, to build dApps and other cool stuff on it. See, Astar, they also have an interesting function. They pay developers natively on this protocol, something called build to earn feature, which is staking, but it's, incentivizes developers to work on it. They're also backed by some big players like Coinbase, Binance, Polygon. You know what? Watch this 60-second clip from Polkadot Insider. They do a really good job explaining why Astar is special and why their 2.0 upgrade is going to be so big.
Ethereum virtual machine and WebAssembly smart contract are the most common. However, these VMs support use different programming languages. So Astar stands out from other smart contract platforms for the special feature of cross-virtual machine, as it is a parachain that both EVM and WASM can coexist and communicate. Developers therefore don't need to go to other parachains or ecosystem to build their smart contract projects. Another exciting feature of Astar is dApp staking, also referred to as build-to-earn protocol. This is by building a product on Astar. Developers can earn Astar token as basic income from block rewards based on their contribution. This is no doubt serves as a strong incentive for developers to choose Astars. With such unique features, Astar is receiving more recognition and collaborating with big players like Toyota and Sony. In addition, Aster is becoming a go-to market chain in Japan. It raised more than 30 million by Polygon, Coinbase, Binance, and more. Aster is considered as one of the biggest chain on Polkadot's system. With a non-stop effort to improve and develop new features, Aster is entering Ethereum ecosystem with Aster 2.0 Supernova. Basically, Aster teamed up with Polygon to launch Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution called Aster ZK EVM. They plan to develop full interoperability between two networks and build trustless bridges. It also includes innovation of staking 2.0, tokenomics 2.0, Aster governance, and so on.
Kilt Protocol. Kilt Protocol is our number 3 pick. What Kilt is doing is much needed and where the world is trending for sure. So what is this? Kilt Protocol is a decentralized blockchain identity protocol, identity solution for the web. It is for issuing self-sovereign, anonymous, and verifiable credentials. So Kilt's mission is to provide reliable and verifiable identity solutions for the digital world, addressing the need for trust in real-world credentials like passports, like driver's licenses, like certificates. Kilt brings these traditional processes of trust into the digital realm while keeping data private and in possession of its original owner. You keep your data, you stay private. They recently announced a big partnership with Deloitte. This is big. Deloitte is huge. It's a top global auditing and tax and financial services company. Kilt is one to watch, that's for sure. HydraDX. HydraDX is a next-generation DeFi protocol which is designed to bring an ocean of liquidity into Polkadot. Trade an abundance of assets in a single pool. The HydraDX Omni Pool is efficient, sustainable, and trustless. So this is a cross-chain liquidity provider on Polkadot, one of the best DeFi solutions in the space. It's a great product providing a real utility, a good service to users who like to DeFi. By the way, if you are a DeFi enjoyer, if you see yourself using HydraDX and you have any questions at all, you should reach out through their social media channels to get help by the team with anything whatsoever. Discord, Telegram, reach out to these guys, they'll help you use their product. Phala Network. Last but certainly not least, Phala Network is a decentralized cloud computing service that uses blockchain. It's based on Substrate. It's a Polkadot Parachain. Phala Network aims to compete with traditional cloud computing services like Google Cloud, like Amazon AWS. This Phala Network is the only privacy-based blockchain on Polkadot that allows Web 2 applications to connect to Web 3 and interact with the dApps without losing computational power. So same speed, same performance as on Web 2. All of this is possible through their famous FAT contract, which is like an advanced smart contract, but it works with smart contracts. This all makes Phala one to watch. So these are my top 5 Polkadot Parachains. Are there any on your list that I missed? What other ecosystems do you want me to explore like this? I'll be reading your comments. Subscribe for more videos just like this.